Okay, here's all spot.
Shenanigans.
Yes, shenanigans.
Okay, yeah, so.
Okay, and next one.
Cindy.
Stand up, please.
Jan Liebenberg, dis my naam.
See wat je naam is?
Hallo, Jan Liebenberg.
Okay. Quick question, is that your natural hair color?
Yes it is, of course. I use Revlon. And it works perfectly for me, as you can see.
Okay.
Hoe zal die rol van Maga voor jou perfect is?
Hoe kom sal?
Die rol van Maga voor jou perfect is?
Ek dink dit sal vir my perfek wees want ek sal die box soos wat jy kan sien. Ek het al baie goeds gedoen. Ek het 'n bietjie wat klasse bygewoon met Turks en ek dink ek sal die rol definitief kan speel. Behalwe al die experience, as ek dit so mag sê.
Daar's redelijk baie soos liefdestonele. En dis obviously nou die hoofacteur. So hoe sal jy dit benader? Wat sal jou approach wees to the love scenes?
Weet jy nie, hy is inderdaad baie sexy. So dit sal baie maklik vir my wees. Dit sal baie maklik.
Voel jy daaroor om second base toe te gaan?
Om second base toe te gaan. Dit hang af wat as jy second base. Wel, hoe ek dit sal benader, ek glo dis iets net baie maklik eintlik om te doen. En ek dink jy sal net aan dink dat jy weet, dis nou 'n rol tussen jou en jou verliefde. En natuurlik as jy dit so dink, ek dink jy kom in hierdie plek en waar jy net verlief raak op die persoon en ek dink jy moet net so sien en dan net so ingaan in dit.
Maar voordat jy opgewonde raak, wil ek dit is 'n vereiste dat jy vir ons asseblief dans. Ons moet sien dat jy ballet kan doen en so. So as jy ons net 'n bietjie kan wys hoe jy ballet is. Ek sien hierso jy doen al vir 4 jaar ballet.
Ja, dis korrek. Ja, ek doen al vir 4 jaar ballet en vir jaar probeer ek dit nou professioneel doen want ek is nou aangestel in hierdie plek in waar ek ballet doen.
Okay. So he dances and sings, huh? He dances.
Dances and sings at the same time. So
Can you show us something? Can you show us what you can do?
Yes.
Can we see the ballet specifically though? That would be perfect.
The
ballet.
The ballet. To see the ballet. Must I sing while I do it?
I think that'll be cool.
That'll
That'll be perfect.
Brilliant stuff. Let's see, what am I going to do for you today? Cool. This is my side of Don't You Worry, Child. Don't you worry, child. See, heaven's got a plan for you. Don't you worry, child. Yeah.
What would you do to get this role?
I would do basically anything to get this role.
Speak with the director.
It depends on how far you want me to go. Of course, I've got morals and values as well. But I would basically do anything, and as much as you want me to be here, I'd put in the long hours. I'd do my script the way you want me to do it. And I'll just put in my everything and all my time in it as well.
You really are fabulous. You've got something very, very special.
Thank you very much.
And we're so grateful for you coming in today.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Now get the hell out.